Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your follow request on IMVU. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, tap on the notifications icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now select notifications at the top of your screen. Now you will be able to see all your follow requests on IMVU. And that's it. This is how you see your follow requests on IMVU. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.